So I've got this new product that I want to share with you. It's called FIXD. It's this guy right here. It's designed so that you can put it under the dash of your car if it was built after 1996, and it'll communicate with an app on your phone, and if it does what it's supposed to do, it'll tell you what's wrong with your car. And I've had it for a couple of months, but a light came on, the check engine light, yesterday, so we're gonna check it out today. Okay, so there's FIXD right underneath my dash, and it's already communicating with my free app, and it says that we have a bad oil pressure sensor, which is easy enough. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go visit a couple of different mechanics and see if they'll be honest with us. I think that being a woman, oftentimes people see us as an easy target, and so knowing that it's an oil pressure sensor, Brent is gonna film with his phone and see if that's actually what they tell us.
Basically what we have here is you ran the motor low on oil. It's gonna have to get done today. It's gonna end up being $1,900.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. I mean, it's definitely not something I will let go any longer. There's no way this motor's gonna last any more without doing this.
Okay, well, I've gotta go home and think about that. I don't have that kind of money today.
All
Sorry,
right.
man. I appreciate it though.
All right.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thanks. So that's not at all what FIXD told us. So tomorrow we'll go see another mechanic and see what they say. See if they'll tell us the same thing that this guy told us. Hey.
Hey, how you doing?
You tell me.
We checked out your truck. It looks like you just need an oil pressure sensor.
Okay.
Can I have it done in probably about 2 hours?
Awesome.
You want?
2 hours.
Yes.
Thank you so
No
much.
problem. I'll call you when it's ready.
It. Thank you. So the first mechanic is actually the guy that I've been using for years. He was nice, so I kept going back to him. Oh my God, $1,900. Second guy totally shot me straight. Less than $100, done. FIXD is the reason why I knew not to pay the $1,900. See you next time. Bye.